Hi, everybody. My name is Mrs. Halpin, and I teach British Literature at Ohio Virtual Academy. If you'd like to get a hold of me, my email address is khalpin@ohva.org, and my phone number is 419-482-0948, extension number 7057. I'm really excited to start another year at OHVA. This is my 14th year of teaching online, and this will be my 5th year with OHVA. So I'm super excited to have you on. You can expect from British Literature, we'll be meeting Monday through Thursday at 9:15 a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. So we'll be meeting every day, and you'll get lots of supports in the class, and I can't wait to meet you. During that first week in the class, you are going to see a survey about you, a classroom contract, a scavenger hunt assignment, a pretest. Of course, you guys are used to pretest. And finally, we're going to do a little bit of lit term and figurative language review. So that way, once we start our unit the next week, that second week of the school year, you guys will be ready to go. If you ever have any questions, I promise I'm nice. I'm more than happy to help out, and I can't wait to meet you. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.